Hi, I'm John with Rio Grande, here today to talk to you about the Orca Torch. Let's get started. The Orca Torch is a propane and atmospheric air torch, which means it uses propane as the fuel and the air around you as the oxidizer. This model uses a disposable propane tank, which is readily available and makes this a great torch for small spaces and for traveling. I have owned an Orca Torch for well over 15 years, which I used while traveling for workshops and for making stock while on the road to the next show. It is also a great choice if you are considering moving up from a butane torch. The torch comes with 3 tips for a variety of tasks: a small tip, a medium tip, and a large tip. For small jobs like earrings, small rings, and jump rings, the small tip is a good choice. The medium tip is great for larger rings, small pendants, and small bracelets. And the large tip is great for annealing and soldering larger items, like this bracelet. As you can see, this torch is very versatile for a wide range of tasks. It is compact for smaller workspaces, easily transportable, and has the power to accomplish a wide range of soldering operations. And it is a great tool to add to your creative toolbox. And that is the Orca Torch. If you have any questions, please contact us.